Hi everyone, my name is Mimi and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel. So if you are a new subscriber, welcome to the Mimi family. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for being patient with me and coming back to watch my videos. So today I've got a really exciting video. Yes, it's a Cartier video. I've never done one of these before, so I'm really excited. This is my first time online purchase, and I don't know whether you know, Cartier have increased their prices, but I'll get into that after I unbox the item. So the item came in this box. I'm just going to quickly open it. So it's a box in a box, and sorry if you can hear the rain and a noise in the background. That's the fan, because even though the weather's quite cool, it's quite humid. So let's quickly unbox this baby. So inside, as you can see, you have a bag, which I believe they give you, even though I guess you don't necessarily go to the shop, but it's just something that comes along with Cartier products. That's the paperwork, and as you can see, that's the logo Cartier. Really exciting. And then the item comes like this. So we're just going to remove all the packaging, and I'm going to unbox this item. So let's quickly look at the paperwork. So I wanted to show you some of the fine detailing. So that's the Cartier name on the envelope. That's the receipt. I won't show you because it's got my details on it. And then there's this little photo thing, and it's got all this wonderful detail, and it's got the Cartier name at the bottom. And here is a card, I believe. And what is in here? Let's see. So that's the exchange, and then it shows you what to do, all the information there, what to do. And then here it's a card. Let's see whether we can read out what it says. So I'm just going to read out what that card says. So it says, "Dear client, since 1847, the Maison Cartier has been synonymous with traditional expertise and innovation, bringing a unique style to each of our creations." And it tells you to contact the client services by phone, email. If you have any more questions regarding my order or our collections, and it says that the contact details are available on the website, blah de blah de blah, and it says yours faithfully, Cartier Boutique. So that's the design there, that's the logo there. And then there's a card here that I wrote to myself. That's the card. Again, same design on the card itself. I mean, look at the envelope, look at the detail, and it's so beautiful. And that's what the card says. "Princess, congratulations. How many people get promotion during lockdown?" Yes, I got promoted. New beginnings, prosperity. New beginnings, progress and prosperity. Amen. And that's the card that was written. So let's get on to what you really came here for. So let's unbox this. Oh, so it's not... well, I'm going to let you wait and see what it is. It's very nicely packaged. And look at... It's got here on the ribbon, Cartier, Cartier, Cartier. And I absolutely love... Oh, look at that. They didn't even have to. The ribbon held it together. And look at that beautiful pleating on the paper. Even it's my first Cartier piece, I'm going to keep all this as a memento. And who doesn't want to get a red box? that's it there. So in the box we've got this pamphlet. So you can kind of guess what I've got there. So this is the booklet. Sorry about my nails, sorry. I'm just going to apologize about my nails because I've been doing some housework and I literally dropped everything out to do this. And at the back of this booklet, it has the certificate of authenticity. Isn't that great? Just at the back of the booklet. So that's great. And then it's got, tells you about the item here. And then I'm just going to stop torturing you. So there it is. It's a leather goods. Comes in a pouch here, wrapped in some paper. And this is what I got. So on the website, it's a limited edition python skin card holder. Sorry, but the camera just fell. I've got a gizmo. So that's the front side of it. And that's the other side of it. So it's python leather, and then it's got calf skin. This part here is calf skin. Show you there. That part there, the brown, light brown part, is calf skin. It's got Cartier there, and it's 2 card slots, one there, one there. Actually, it's 3, so it's got a third one in the middle there. So, as I said, the exterior is python leather and the interior is calf skin. So just a few things I want to point out. So when I bought this item, today is Wednesday. I ordered it on Sunday. I had heard rumors that there was going to be a price increase, which there was. And I bought mine for 270. So I'm just going to go on the website, sorry, and show you how much it costs now. So this is it on the website. So remember I said I bought mine for £270 and it's gone up. I'll just show you the price. It doesn't actually show the price here, that's weird. Oh, there it is. It's now, see that? It's now £305. So it went up by £35. So if you are not aware, from the 1st of September, a lot of the Cartier products have increased their prices. So Cartier, along with Chanel, apparently have increased their prices. So I'm glad I bought it then. If it was £305, then I probably wouldn't have bought it. So I'm glad I did actually buy it when I did. It was just a treat to myself. Like I said, I got promoted during lockdown. I mean, how many people does that happen to? And I just wanted something to remember, you know, the occasion by. So guys, sorry for the delay in showing you this item. I just wanted to share my experience of buying something on the website. It came, so I ordered it on Sunday and it came on Wednesday. So, and in England, Monday was a bank holiday, so it took Monday, Tuesday, 3 days for it to be delivered. And it came by DHL, so I love DHL. If there's any carrier that I love dealing with is DHL. Never, you can actually track your items really quickly. The service is really great. So yeah, no problems whatsoever. So if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments box below. Sorry to disappoint you. It wasn't a love ring or any one of those famous items from Cartier, but it's just something different and something to celebrate an achievement, which is a new job, new start during lockdown. Anyway, if this is your first time to the Mimet's Lounge, so my name is Mimi. I want to encourage you to press that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you know when I upload videos. And thank you so much for watching. And if you have any comments, put them in the comments box below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you thoroughly enjoyed it. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the item, of the price increase. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and goodbye.